Hello and welcome to Free VBA Tips. Today I am going to show you how you can merge multiple files into one. So if I click on this button, here you see these three files has been added. This has come from a folder. So let me show you the procedure how I have created this file. So first of all, let me create a button. So I choose ActiveX, create a button, and I click edit it, and then merge files, and then let me make it a little bigger. Okay, now I right click and make property, and then just name it to a meaningful name, btn merge files, and then I can write a code. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to create a document name. So we just need to type dim, this is just to define, and as my directory, and then as document string document as string. So these are two things I have defined, and then I will be going through each sheet. So let me define one more thing, sheet as Excel worksheet. Okay, so I will assign a location to my directory or the document. So I'll just type as my directory is equal to the location where my file exists. So right now let me show you my location. This is my location where I have all the files. So I just copy this from here, and my directory is equal to directory bracket open and then inverted commas double quotes, sorry, and then again paste your line, the path, and then put one more slash and then close it and close the bracket as well. Now we have to loop. Okay, so while do this procedure while, and then let me copy this one, while s document is not blank, and then we'll put a vend to go up. Okay, now to go into each document, we'll type s doc name is equal to directory, so that the next document is called. Okay, so now we have to open each document, each Excel file. So what I'll do is I'll type workbooks dot open, then my directory, this is my directory, and my document name, comma, and then I generally write read only equal to true, so that it's only open read only. Don't mistakenly make any change, or by mistake you should not make any change. Then I should loop through each sheet. Then I'll type for each sh sheet in active workbook dot sheets, and then what I have to do is sh, the sheet which is actually opening, dot copy, we are copying that sheet after. Okay, and then I put my this workbook, my existing workbook dot sheets, and then I can type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's say put it 7, see how this works, and then I move to next sheet, and then once this procedure is done, then I close my workbooks, and then the document name, this document name, dot close. Okay, so I believe this is the procedure. This is the procedure we should write, and then let me just click and run it and see how this works. So let me come out of design mode and see how this works. Okay, it's not working. Perfect, nothing to worry. Let me just check the code. Okay, so here is a mistake. So what we have to do is we have to type as my directory, and then directory should not come over here, and then document seems to be blank. So let me just copy this one here and equal to directory, and then let's see how this code works. Perfect. Okay, so here are my files 1 2 3. So these files has come over here, and did you see this was opening? There was something opening. So what we can do is we can just put application dot screen updating equal to false, and then turn it true as well. TRUE true. Now you should not see it. Okay, so these files are imported. If I click again, then there will be more files over here. Let me see that. Click on this, something is happening in background, and now you see there are more files which has come over here. 1 2 3 4 5, and then one more 6. Okay, so let me paste the code over here so that you can see it properly. Here code is, so let me summarize this. So this one, the very first row is to stop the screen updating and always turn it on. And then what I'm doing is I have created a string where I have mentioned my path, and then there is a slash as well at the last, and then the document name is equal to directory of this particular string. Then we have a loop which is coming ending over here vent. So till do work till the time we have files, so it is not equal to blank, and then we open s directory, which is this path, and this document name, so the file as read only, and then we loop through each sheet of these files, and then we start copying it to this workbook, this main workbook, and then we close it, and then we move to the next document, and here is a loop. So till the time we have files, it keeps on working, and then we turn on the screen updating back. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments. For similar kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a nice day. Bye.